welcome to NYK Naturals Academics. Today we are discussing the Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana first topic Ayushkamiya adhyaya. In this first shloka is Ayukkamayamanena dharmartha sukha sadhanam ayurvedopadesheshu videya paramadaraha. That is, the aim or purpose of woman life is to achieve the Purushartha Chatushtaya. Now, what are the Purushartha Chatushtaya? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Here, Dharma means following the correct or righteous path. Artha means earning money in a proper way. Kama means fulfilling our desires, achieving, and Moksha means achieving salvation. These all could, these Purushartha Chatushtaya can only achieved by healthy and long life. Now, to achieve the healthy and long life, we need to follow Ayurveda. To achieve healthy and long life, we need to follow Ayurveda. Next, origin of Ayurveda. Here comes a doubt. How Ayurveda is originated? Brahma smritva ayusho vedam prajapati majigrahat. So ashvinotto sahasraksham so atri putradikan munin. ते अग्निवेश आदिकान्ते तु पृथक् तन्त्राणि तेनिरे तेभ्यो अतिविप्रकीर्णेभ्य प्राय सारतरोच्चया क्रियते अष्टाङ्गहृदयं नाति संक्षेप विस्तरम्. Brahma Smritva in the shloka means Brahma remembered the knowledge of Ayurveda and shared it to Daksha Prajapati. Through Daksha Prajapati, Ashwini Kumaras learned the Ayurveda knowledge and then they shared this knowledge with Indra. And Indra shared the knowledge with Bharadwaja. Through Bharadwaja, Atreya Punarvasa and other gurus learned the Ayurveda knowledge, and through them Agnivesha and other disciples, like in Atreya Sampradaya, Atreya having 6 disciples. Among those, Agnivesha and other like Bela, Harita are there. These all disciples written their own treatise, Samhitas. From those all treatise, only the essence is collected and presented in Ashtanga Hridaya, which is neither too short nor too elaborate. 8 branches of Ayurveda. Kaya Bala Griha Urdvanga Shalya Danshra Jararushan. That is, the 8 branches in Ayurveda are Kaya represents Kaya Chikitsa, which can be understood as general or internal medicine. Bala represents Bala Roga or Komara Bhrita, which represents pediatrics. Graha represents Graha Roga, which include all idiopathic diseases. Idiopathic diseases means that which having unknown causes, or the diseases are caused by bacteria, virus, microbes and invisible organisms. Then Urdhvanga. Urdhvanga is referred as Shalakya Tantra, the diseases which occur to the organs which are located above the clavicle region. Those can be correlated with ENT, ophthalmology, otology, rhinology, etc. Then comes to Shalya. Shalya represents Shalya Tantra, that is can be correlated with surgery. Danshra means the diseases caused by the bite. Danshra means bite of the organisms which can be considered under Agara Tantra, that can be correlated with toxicology. Then Jara Chikitsa can be correlated with geriatrics, and Rusha, that is Rusha Chikitsa, can be correlated with aphrodisiac. Tridosha. In Ayurveda, concept of Tridosha plays important role. Vayuhu pittam kafasheti trayodosha samasataha vikruta avikruta deham gnanti te vartayanti cha. Our body is made up of 3 doshas. They are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These 3 doshas, when they are in equilibrium, means when they are in perfect balance, they leads to healthy state of the body, that is Arogya. When there is imbalance in these doshas, either in one dosha or 2 dosha or all 3 dosha, either in the form of Ruddhi or in the form of Kshaya. Ruddhi means increase, Kshaya means decrease. These leads to diseases, that is Roga. Then location of the 3 doshas. Te vyapino api runyabhyo adho madhyordva samshrayaha. Before understanding the exact location of these doshas, we need to understand that 3 doshas are present all over the body. All 3 doshas present all over the body, but according to their residential presence and their predominantly seen in particular site, these division is done. Among these, Kapha dosha is present above the Hridaya Pradesha, means above the chest region, and Pitta dosha present in between Hridaya and Nabhi, that is in between chest and navel region. Then Vata dosha present below Nabhi, that is below umbilical region. Vata dosha is predominantly seen. Diurnal variation of Tridosha. Vayu ahoratri bhuktanam te anta madhyadigaha kramat. Here first decode the shloka. Vayo means based on the vayas, based on the age, the doshas predominance is classified. Aho means based on the daytime, ratri means night time, bhuktana means based on the timing of digestion, doshas predominance is divided. In that, aho during the daytime means based on the daytime, from 6 am to 10 am, kapha dosha is predominantly seen. From 10 am to 2 pm, pitta dosha is predominantly seen. From 2 pm to 6 pm, vata dosha is predominantly seen. In conclusion, during early morning hours, kapha is predominant. During afternoon, pitta is predominant. And during evening, vata is predominant in our body. Ratri, it is also based on the time. From 6 pm to 10 pm, kapha is predominant. From 10 pm to 2 am, pitta is predominant. From 2 am to 6 pm, vata dosha is from 2 am to 6 am, vata dosha is predominant. Then bhukta, digestion timing. In the beginning of digestion, adi means in the beginning of digestion, kapha dosha is predominant. In the middle of the digestion, pitta is predominant. And at the end of the digestion, vata dosha is predominantly seen. Then Jataragni Veda as per dosha predominance. Thair bhavet vishamaha tikshno mandaschagni samai samaha. Based on the dosha predominance, our Jataragni is divided into 4 types: Vishamagni, Tikshnagni, Mandagni, Samagni. Vishamagni, Vata dosha predominance is seen. In Vishamagni, Vata dosha predominance is seen. In Tikshnagni, Pitta dosha predominance is seen. In Mandagni, Kapha dosha predominance. And in Samagni, all the doshas are in equilibrium state. Let's understand what is Vishama, Tikshna, Manda and Samagni. Vishamagni means the person is having erratic digestive capacity, which means in a person with Vishamagni, he sometimes have high appetite and sometimes feels low appetite, means irregular appetite is seen in the person having Vishamagni. When it comes to Tikshnagni, quick digestive capacity means a person with Tikshnagni have high digestion power and appetite. He can eat more food than the person of Vishamagni and Mandagni and Samagni. Then Mandagni. Mandagni means slow or weak digestive capacity. That is, a person with Mandagni will have low digestion power and appetite. Then last, Samagni, that is normal digestive capacity. Koshta Beda as per dosha predominance. Koshtaha kruro mriduru madhyo madhyaha syattai samairapi. Koshtas are divided into 3 types based on the dosha predominance. That is Krura Koshta, Mridu Koshta, Madhyama Koshta. In Krura Koshta, Vata dosha is predominant. In Mridu Koshta, Pitta dosha is predominant. In Madhyama Koshta, Kapha dosha is predominant. Let's understand what is Krura, Mridu, Madhyama Koshta. Krura Koshta means bowel evacuation is irregular, and in Krura Koshta persons, stool is hard in consistency. Mridu Koshta, frequency of defecation is more compared to Krura Koshta person and Madhyama Koshta person, and here the consistency of stool is soft or semi-solid. Madhyama Koshta, here regular defecation is present and stool consistency is not hard, not too soft but moderate. Deha Prakruti and Dosha. Shukrartavasthairjanmado visheshena va vishakrime. Here the Acharya, before explaining the Prakruti, he give one simile, that is like From the poisonous snakes or poisonous insects, the poison is inherent to or transferred to their offsprings or their progeny, which is natural and inherited. For example, from the parent snake to the baby snake, poison is transferred, which is natural. Like that, our Prakruti also transferred from parents to children, and Prakruti is depends upon the quality of Shukra and Artava, also the time of the conception. If the quality is good, the good quality of Shukra and Artava leads to the good offsprings. If there is bad quality or there any disease, this leads to bad offsprings. तैश्च तिस्त्र प्रकृतयो हीनमध्योत्तमः पृथक् समधातु समतासु श्रेष्ठनिन्द्याद्विदोषजा. On the dosha, Prakriti is again divided into three types, that is Hina, Madhyama, Uttama. Hina Prakriti, Vata dosha is predominant, Madhyama Prakriti, Pitta is predominant, and Uttama Prakriti, Kapha dosha is predominant. Let's discuss about Guna of doshas. It is important topic. It can be come for SAQ or LAQ. Vata dosha guna. Tatra ruksho lagu shita kara sukshma chalo anilaha. Ruksha means dryness, lagu means lightness, shita is cold, kara is rough, sukshma means minute, chala is mobile. These are the gunas of Vata dosha. Pitta dosha guna. Pittam sasneha tikshnoshnam lagu visram saram dravam. Here sasneha means slight unctus, whereas snigdha means unctus. It is normal unctus. Sasneha means less unctus compared to snigdha, but is unctus, slight unctus. Tikshna means sharp or penetrating. Ushna means hot. Lagu means light. Visra means foul or putrid smell. Sara means mobile in nature. Drava means liquid. Kapha dosha guna. Snigdha shito gurur manda shlakshno mrusna stiraha kapaha. Snigdha means unctus. Shita means cold. Guru means heavy. Manda is slow. Shlakshna means smooth. Mrutsa means which can be compared with Pichila guna. That is the shininess, shiny appearance seen on the clay. Like that, Mrutsa can be understood. Then Stira means stable. Dosha Sanyoga, that is combination of doshas. Samsargaha Sannipatascha Tata Dvitrikshaya Kopataha. That is combination of doshas may be because of either Kshaya or Ruddhi in the doshas. It is of two types, Sansarga and Sannipata. Samsarga means when two doshas are involved. When two doshas are involved, this combination is understood as Sansarga. For example, Vata Pitta. Here Vata Ruddhi or Pitta Kshaya. It is a Sansarga. Then Sannipata means when all three doshas are involved. For example, Pitta Ruddhi, Vata Kapha Kshaya. Like this, other combinations can be understood as Sannipata.